This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty/Lake Country property video is presented by Nancy Bryce. Nestled in the highly sought-after neighborhood of Harmony Farms, this charming home promises a spacious floor plan, soaring vaulted ceilings, a country kitchen with ample cabinet space, and 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, for a perfect blend of comfort and elegance. The main floor features a delightful primary bedroom with an ensuite bath, complete with a double vanity, separate tub and shower, and a walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bath. Upstairs is a 4th bedroom and bath. Freshly painted and adorned with plantation blinds, the generous family room with a fireplace seamlessly connects to the kitchen and dining room, bathed in natural light from numerous windows. Meticulously maintained, the property boasts a new roof and carpets replaced just 4 years ago. The water heater is a recent addition at 1.5 years old, complemented by a water softener system. Beyond the walls, residents enjoy the amenities of the Harmony Farms community, including a swimming pool, clubhouse, pickleball courts, and a playground. Additionally, a 1-year home warranty provided by the seller adds peace of mind to this already attractive offering. Don't miss the opportunity to make this haven your own. Furniture is negotiable. For more information,